So now it's time to test our application. But before I test, I want to show you a few errors that you are probably going to face. The first problem is the indentation. Here, if you don't leave here 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here if you don't leave 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, you are gonna get an error. Let me show you that error so that you avoid this error. If I save everything, let me save everything first, and let me run my application and show you this error. If I run my application now, you are gonna get this error, and it should be displayed here. So as you can see here, first of all, we have here another error. We have string property. I'm gonna first fix this error, and then I'm gonna come back to this error. So this error is string property. Here it says name error name string property is not defined. The reason is because here it must be string property. Let me show you that. Here it must be string property with a y. I forgot the y, and this is a common error. This is just a typo type of error. So you need to double check your code. Let me save now and let me run my application one more time and show you the other error that you are probably going to face. Many developers encounter this error whenever they try to run their applications. They encounter this problem. As you can see, this is the problem. Here it says invalid data after declaration. Here because I did not pass this, I did not leave 4 letters here in the new line. So here I need to leave 4 lines. If I leave, let me leave here 1, 2, 3, only 3. And if I run my application, I'm gonna get another error. Let me show you this error as well. So this error is also a common error. So this error, as you can see, this is a very, very common error. Invalid indentation must be a multiple of 4 spaces. So we need to leave 4 letters or 4 spaces here. So here you need to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me now save and run, and I will show you another error, which is also a common error, but this error is not related to only Python. It's a general error in programming in general, especially for for front-end developers. So here it says key error. So what is this key error? This key error happens whenever the key isn't available or doesn't exist. So this humidity doesn't exist. If you head on over back to the service, if you enter this URL, let me show you that, this URL. If you copy this URL and paste it in the browser, you are going to get the data. Here it says the error says, let me show you the error one more time. The error message says key error humidity. So the key doesn't exist, but here it says humidity. So why is that? The reason is because this humidity is inside another key, and that key is main. So first we need to access the main, and then we need to access the humidity. So the humidity is inside the main. Therefore, we need to say here, first we need to say here main, and then humidity. Similarly, for the temperature, we need to say main, and then temperature. For the maximum pressure, we need to say main and then maximum pressure, or temp maximum, temp max. For the pressure, also the pressure is inside the main. So first we need to access the main. So here we need to say main, and then pressure. That way the error will be gone. Finally, we need to convert all of these into strings before we test, because these are numbers. If you head on over back to the service, you'll find that the pressure is a number, the humidity is a number, the temperature is a number, the maximum temperature is a number, and the text and the secondary text and the tertiary text don't accept numbers. They accept only strings. So we need to convert these to a string. So I'm going to say here str, and then I'm going to pass them into str. str here, and then str, str, and here str. And now we are good to go. Let me now save everything and let me run my application. So now if I run my application, you'll find that all of the errors have been fixed. And as you can see, we have no errors whatsoever. Now the application looks amazing, and we got, as you can see, we got the names here and the temperature, the pressure. It just looks amazing.